This is not Bali. Definitely not Maldives. Not even Goa. This is Hotel Sonar Bangla, Ajodhya Hills. Just 135 kilometers, about 3 hours from Ranchi, and only 60 kilometers, a quick 90 minutes from Jamshedpur. Hidden in the heart of Purulia, surrounded by the scenic Ajodhya Hills, this property redefines peace and luxury. From sunrise to sunset, every view here feels like a painting. We stayed at their private pool villa, an absolute dream. They also offer premium villas and spacious hotel rooms, each beautifully designed with traditional aesthetic and modern comfort. Morning yoga with the hills around you, sipping coffee while sun dips beyond the horizon, or simply enjoying a quiet walk. This place gives you the true meaning of escape. And when it comes to food, they don't miss a beat. From elaborate breakfasts by the pool with picnic vibes, to delicious lunches and dinners, to evening snacks with sunset views, to a stunning rooftop bar, every bite, every sip is top notch. Their hospitality takes it all to the next level. Whether it's poolside fun, a weekend staycation, an intimate wedding, or a small celebration with friends and family, Hotel Sonar Bangla fits every mood perfectly. So if you are looking for your next getaway, peaceful, luxurious and unforgettable, look no further. Spend your upcoming holiday season at Hotel Sonar Bangla, Ajodhya Hills and thank me later.